go ahead.
Thank you. Yeah, so I'll continue on the topic of energy storage. My name is Hjalmar Pihl and not Hjalmar, but Adam is the project manager. He unfortunately couldn't make it today, so I had the privilege of representing the project here today instead. So it's a quite large Aranet funded project. It's been going on for about a year, and we have another year and a half or so to go. We tried to put all the partners involved on this slide, but we couldn't quite fit it. So the Germans are on the next slide, and we're focusing on the Swedish and Norwegian partners here. As the name suggests, it's a project that centers on energy storage. We have, let's say, a couple of different branches. The core of the project is about developing what we refer to as adaptive control. And what we mean by that is basically, in order to make energy storage solutions more viable or a more interesting investment option, we think it's crucial to be able to combine different functionalities for the same end user. But this, of course, requires some kind of control structure to be able to, in an automatic way, switch between these services or these useful things depending on what, where the battery can do the most, create the most value given the circumstances. So that's kind of the foundation of the project, or the core of the project. We have another branch, which is Insplorion's main area. They develop something they call nanoplasmonic sensoring, which is a little too complicated to my economist brain, but it has to do with sensing the sort of chemical state of health of like actually measuring inside the battery pack in order to evaluate sort of how the battery is doing. We also have a part of the project that looks at hydrogen storage as a complement to more lithium-based or more like standard battery technologies. We have a couple of different demonstration sites, one in Mariestad, so that's where Werner Energy comes in. We have in Germany, in Fraunhofer, and in Glova, close to Karlstad, which we've already heard something about today. I guess not from Glova, but the neighborhood. I think I've talked about everything on the other slide as well, so I think we can end it there. Thank you very much.